Hello everyone, this is CS Harshadan Gaikwad from EdGPA. I hope all of you are doing great. Well, this video is for all the CA Foundation students who want to give their examinations at the coming November 20. Well, many of you might have completed your CA Foundation coaching, or some of you might be pursuing the CA Foundation coaching as of now. But there's this one question on every student's mind. सर, हम सब हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, बट वो स्मार्ट वर्क कैसे करें? हार्ड वर्क के साथ स्मार्ट वर्क भी जरूरी है. So on that note, EdGPA is announcing smart sessions for CA Foundation for November 20 examinations. So what exactly is the smart session and what we are going to cover in these smart sessions? So let me just take you through in all the 4 subjects. For starters, for maths and stats, calculated tricks are the most important to a student. Calculated tricks अगर आपको आते रहेंगे, आपका बहुत टाइप सेम होने वाला है. Your answer is going to be accurate and there's going to be the edge factor over the other students. Well, it comes to law paper. How to write a law paper is the most important part. You might be knowing a lot of sections or case laws for that matter, but how to present a law paper is most important. When it comes to economics, it's an MCQ paper, but many students forget one thing: they do not do graphs properly. So graphs karna in the smartest way is a trick of clearing your economics paper. And when it comes to BCR, your grammatical skills and your presentation is the most important. So these are some of the highlights which we are going to cover in our smart sessions for CA Foundation. It is going to be conducted on the 19th and 20th September, that is on Saturday and Sunday. It is going to be online live lectures. We do not provide recorded lectures at all, so that every student out there can ask their doubts immediately. It is a smart decision for all of you, so please enroll at EdGPA for these smart sessions for CA Foundation. And you just need to do one thing, and that is WhatsApp your name on this number given over here. We will be very happy to enroll you as a student and provide you the smart sessions link for CA Foundation. And the most important thing you guys might be thinking right now is, what are the fees for the smart sessions? So let me tell you one thing, it is completely free. Yes, that is right. You heard that right. It is completely free, of course. You don't need to pay a single rupee for these smart sessions. So take a smart decision today and enroll at EdGPA for smart sessions, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. We expect you all for these smart sessions at EdGPA, okay? So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.